Hello ma'am, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fran Aslam and this is my project classification of cats and dogs using KNN classification for both Manhattan and Euclidean distance. So here we have chosen the data sets for cats and dogs. So here I have chosen the data sets which I have downloaded from my Google Drive, and I have made it available for all persons who has this ID. So let me show you the data sets. So while this is loading, I will explain the data sets. In these data sets, there are total 10,000 pictures of cats and dogs combined, which includes 5,000 pictures of cats and 5,000 pictures of dogs. And in the project, I have used the 80-20 ratio for testing and training the data. So these data sets have been loaded, so let's see the data sets. This is a zip file, so let's unzip the file. So I think the data unzip has been completed. So here, as you can see, I have divided the data in two sets, which are test and training, with 80-20 ratio. So in test folder of dataset cats, there are 4,000 pictures of cats, and similarly there are 4,000 pictures of dogs in the test dataset of dogs folder. So and against that I have the training data sets here, as you can see, and here we have 2,000 pictures of cats and dogs which are used for the testing purpose. Sorry, I think I mixed the data sets. This is the training set and this is the test set. So in training sets we have total 2,000 pictures, which includes 1,000 pictures of cats and dogs each to train the software. So let's go now towards the libraries that we have imported, and this is the technique that we have used for feature extraction of images. So first I read the image and then I convert it to NumPy array. So this is the picture that we have right now, and the dimensions we have are 375, 499 and 3, which is RGB cover. Here I have also reduced the size of image to make our program work faster, because it will take a lot more time if we give it a high resolution picture. So I have reduced the size to 128 and 64, and then I have used the Hawk feature to calculate our features of image, which gives us around 6,800 features. And this is the features array and the size of the image now, which has been reduced to 128 and 64 now. And then we move on to the training of datasets. Here I have used the glob to read the dataset, and then I converted it to NumPy array, as I told you earlier at this step. And then I have used the resizing of image with the help of CV2, and then here I extract the Hawk features of the image and store it here for cats and dogs. So all the data regarding dogs will be stored here. So all the feature data of dogs training data will be stored here. So now again we move towards the cats data. The same procedure is repeated over here, and then I have combined the data. The first 4,000 features will be of the cats and later will be of dogs, and I have labeled all the data here. Like I said, the first 4,000 pictures will be labeled of the cats, and other 4,000 pictures will be of dogs, like here. So now again we move toward the test data set. The same thing is happening here, but here I have done the labeling before instead of later. And then after that I have to separate them. I have to separate this data. So far these are the feature extraction that I have done regarding training and testing of data sets. So now we will move on to the KNN implementation. So here I have divided the columns into Manhattan and Euclidean. In Euclidean we have used the hyperparameter of value from 1 to 7. Basically what I did was compare the result with the value against k and the method of distance calculation. So which means that after all the processing is done, we will have a list of length 7. This length of list will be 7 because the value of k has been 1 to 7. Here I have used KNN classifier with the training data. After that I predict the data using KNN, and after that the accuracy is being calculated, and then the confusion matrix is being built, and then the F1 scores, and all this data append to the list, Euclidean accuracies and confusion matrix list. And all the same has been done for Manhattan. To differentiate the Manhattan, we have used the parameter P as 1, and now we will move on to the scores. The score has been appended to this list, and this is the Manhattan scores, and this is the data where for the value of k we have the F1 score as 0.66 and accuracy as 0.63, and the value for confusion matrix. And the same has been done for the Euclidean. And now we will move on to plotting scores. So for better comparison, I have plotted both the scores of Euclidean and Manhattan. So here this is the access point from 1 to 7. Here Euclidean is blue line and Manhattan is the orange. As you can see, the variations in Manhattan are far greater than the Euclidean, and with increase of value k, the F1 score also increases. But that is not the case in accuracies. Here orange line is Manhattan and blue is Euclidean. The accuracy also increases with the value of k, but after 6 it starts to fall. In case of Manhattan, it rises exponentially, but then it remains the same for some time, but after k value 6 it starts decreasing. So as we can see, the accuracy is pretty much better with the Manhattan, and the F1 score is more consistent and reliable with the Euclidean. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fran Aslam, and this is my project, classification of cats and dogs using KNN classification for both Manhattan and Euclidean distance. So here we have chosen the data sets for cats and dogs. So here I have chosen the data sets which I have downloaded from my Google Drive, and I have made it available for all persons who has this ID. So